Have you ever wondered if robots will take over the world? Will they take our jobs? It's a question that's been on people's minds as artificial intelligence becomes more advanced. AI is rapidly changing the world around us. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, its presence is undeniable. But what does this mean for our jobs? Will AI help us or replace us? AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, subtly influencing our decisions and actions. We encounter it in subtle ways like personalized recommendations on streaming services, which learn our preferences and suggest content we might enjoy. And in more obvious ways like the GPS navigation guiding us through traffic, making our commutes more efficient and less stressful. It's changing how we work, live, and interact with the world. In offices, AI tools help us collaborate more effectively, while at home, smart devices make our lives more convenient. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's only natural to question its impact on our livelihoods. Will it be a boon or a bane for the workforce? Will it create new opportunities, or will it render our skills obsolete? Many professionals are already reskilling to stay relevant in this new era. The truth is, AI will likely do both. It will automate repetitive tasks, freeing us to focus on more creative and strategic roles. It has the potential to automate tasks, and even entire jobs, leading to concerns about job displacement. However, this automation can also lead to increased productivity and new business opportunities. However, it's also poised to create new industries, roles, and opportunities that we can't even imagine yet. Innovators are constantly brainstorming new applications for AI. Understanding the nature of AI and its capabilities is crucial to navigating this evolving landscape and harnessing its potential. By educating ourselves and staying informed, we can better prepare for the future. AI, in simple terms, is the ability of a computer or machine to mimic human intelligence. It encompasses a wide range of technologies and applications from simple algorithms to complex neural networks. It involves machines learning from data, identifying patterns, and making decisions based on that information. This process is often referred to as machine learning, a subset of AI. Think of it like teaching a computer to think like a human. By feeding it large amounts of data, we train it to recognize patterns and make decisions. A simple example is your email spam filter. This tool uses AI to distinguish between spam and legitimate emails. It learns to identify and filter out spam messages based on patterns in the email content, sender, and other factors. Over time, it becomes more accurate. As it processes more emails, it becomes better at recognizing and filtering spam. This continuous learning process is what makes AI so powerful. This is just one small example of AI at work. AI is being integrated into various aspects of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. More complex applications include medical diagnosis, financial trading, and even creative writing. These advanced uses of AI are transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve. AI is already transforming various industries and job roles, reshaping the way we work and interact with technology on a daily basis. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems are automating repetitive tasks, increasing efficiency and productivity. These advanced technologies are capable of performing tasks with precision and speed that surpass human capabilities. While this may lead to a decrease in demand for certain blue-collar jobs, it also creates opportunities for skilled technicians and engineers who can design, operate, and maintain these advanced systems. The need for expertise in robotics and AI is growing, creating new career paths and job opportunities. In the customer service industry, AI-powered chatbots are handling basic inquiries, providing 24/7 support, and freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. This allows for a more efficient allocation of human resources, enhancing customer satisfaction and service quality. This shift doesn't necessarily eliminate jobs, but rather changes the nature of the work, requiring new skills in areas like AI training and chatbot management. As AI continues to evolve, the workforce must adapt, learning to collaborate with these technologies to maximize their potential. The future of work will undoubtedly be shaped by AI. While some jobs may become obsolete, new ones will emerge, demanding a different set of skills. The key is to be adaptable, embrace lifelong learning, and focus on developing skills that complement AI, rather than compete with it. Jobs requiring creativity, critical thinking, complex problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and human interaction are less likely to be fully automated. These skills are difficult to replicate in machines and will remain in high demand.